affiliate marketing is dead. It's gone. It's in the trash can. And a lot of people are saying this, but why exactly are they believing it? Affiliate marketing is kind of getting a bad rep nowadays, meaning a lot of people are saying it is no longer a viable way to be making an income. But why exactly is this? The first reason that I have found would be saturation through blogs and through different sources of media. The internet is flooded with blogs and social media posts and TikTok videos of saying you have to buy this, you have to try this, you have to try this, but why should we believe these people? And this happens a lot of the time with me. I'm scrolling on TikTok and I see all of these TikTok shop ads and I'm like, hey, I should buy this. But at the same time, I'm like, do I even believe this person? Because I know they're only promoting this product because they have an affiliate link for it and they will make money if I buy this product. This oversaturation makes it a little bit harder for these newer affiliate marketers to stand out. The second reason that people think affiliate marketing is dead is because of the fact that sometimes you have to pay for ads on your products. Many aspiring affiliate marketers will rely on these paid ads in order to get their products out into the world. But with rising costs on platforms such as Google and Facebook, these costs can kind of sound unrealistic, especially when starting out. Beginners often find themselves spending more money on ads rather than making money, and this is something that we do not like to see, which can lead to a burnout and a lot of frustration. The third reason that people think affiliate marketing is dead is because of generic cookie-cutter content. The era of basic and one-size-fits-all affiliate marketing strategies, they're gone. They're out the window, they're gone. Generic content just doesn't cut it anymore. If your approach to affiliate marketing is lacking depth or personality, it can be really hard to stand out in a sea of fish. And you guys might be thinking, Kayla, these are a lot of negative aspects to affiliate marketing. When does it get better? Don't worry, there is good news. Affiliate marketing is not completely dead because honestly, it's just evolved. It is growing. The strategies that worked 5 or 10 years ago might not be working today. However, there are new strategies that we can latch onto. So do not worry, the opportunity is not gone. You have not missed the affiliate marketing train. We're going to be hopping right aboard it in this video, so come on, join me. I'm your conductor. In fact, the shift to new platforms, such as the platform of YouTube, has created a whole new world of new possibilities. But it's all for those who are willing to adapt. So if you're ready to adapt to the new ways of affiliate marketing, let's hop on this train and let's go. If you're looking to succeed in affiliate marketing today, YouTube is the platform to be on. It is a game changer, and this is because of a few different reasons. The first reason is the long shelf life of videos. Once you post something on YouTube, not to sound a little bit scary, but if you want it to be on YouTube forever, it can be on YouTube forever. And the good news with that is if we're promoting an affiliate product with that YouTube video, that affiliate link is going to be out there forever, or for as long as we choose. A well-made video can keep generating clicks and views for months and months on end. And if some of you know me, I have a brother named Matt, and he runs some different faceless YouTube channels, and videos that he's posted like a decade ago are still making money today, and he's doing nothing with those videos. This longevity makes YouTube a powerful investment in your time and your efforts. The second reason that you should choose YouTube is the fact that you can build a sense of community on the platform. And this is especially if you are showing your face. However, you do not have to show your face, so no pressure there. But videos offer something that blogs and other social media platforms like an Instagram post do not offer. Because with a video, you are able to share your personality more so and your honest opinions. People are far more likely to buy an affiliate product from someone if they know that this creator has shown themselves to be trustworthy. And I know this isn't exactly affiliate marketing, but an example of this would be I was on TikTok the other day and I saw Olivia Rodrigo with a Stanley Cup. So I got the Olivia Rodrigo Stanley Cup because being a fan of hers and going to her concerts, I have this sense of trust with her. And I know it sounds kind of silly because obviously I don't know Olivia Rodrigo as a person, but just the chances are if you see a creator that you like promoting a product, you are more likely going to buy that product from that specific creator rather than some random person, which is why YouTube is a great place to build a community. The third reason that you should choose YouTube is because it combines value with subtle promotion. Now, YouTube channels are not all about being like, hey, buy this product, hey, buy this product. I mean, they can be, but on YouTube, your sole purpose is going to be to create value within your channel. Whether you're sharing tutorials or reviews or problem-solving content, you can weave affiliate marketing products into all of those different types of videos. This approach feels more natural rather than like, hey, you have to buy this product, you have to buy this product. Because honestly, on TikTok, I feel like it has become very, very oversaturated. I mean, argue with me if you think that I'm wrong, but going on TikTok, all I see are these TikTok shop ads, and they just feel very inauthentic, if that's a word. Instead of hard selling, such as on a platform like TikTok, when you're on YouTube, you're empowering viewers to make more informed decisions, and you're being very honest, but your content isn't just revolving around that affiliate product. You're giving other value that also relates to that affiliate product or the niche of that product. In addition to long-form content on YouTube, something that is relatively new is going to be the platform of YouTube Shorts, which, if you don't know what YouTube Shorts is, it's just YouTube videos, but they're kind of in the format of a TikTok video. And because so many people are losing their attention spans nowadays, I'm sure I lost half of you on this video already, but if you're still here, thank you so much for watching. But YouTube Shorts has become a great place for affiliate marketers. But why is this? Shorts are essentially YouTube's answer to TikTok. They saw TikTok and they're like, how do we make this platform better? How do we apply this platform to people that have this shorter attention span? So this is kind of their take on TikTok. The platform of YouTube is heavily promoting YouTube Shorts, which means it's a great place to be putting some affiliate links out there. Shorts are also going to be a relatively easy type of content to create because you're not requiring any fancy equipment or long scripts. A simple 15-second clip can drive some curiosity about whatever affiliate marketing product that you want to promote. With this fast-paced nature, shorts are a perfect way to grab your audience's attention. YouTube has a combination of trust-building visuals and timeless content, while they also have their YouTube Shorts platform, which makes it a great place for affiliate marketing. Now, if you want to succeed with affiliate marketing on YouTube, the strategy that you use to conquer this is going to be everything. Randomly uploading videos and hoping for clicks and views is just not going to cut it in this world, unfortunately. So let's talk about how to attack affiliate marketing in the correct way. The first step is going to be choosing your niche. And this is going to be, what is your channel going to be about? One of the biggest mistakes when it comes to YouTube is creators want to try to appeal to everybody, but that is just not going to be the case here. You want to apply your content to a target audience because then this target audience is going to have this sense of trust with you and they're going to be more likely to buy the products that you're promoting. This allows you to become an authority in whatever space you're trying to create, whether it be makeup or reading or finance. For example, if you're promoting something like a fitness product, you would probably want to choose the niche of health for your channel and create videos on how you can do weightlifting better. I don't work out. Or if you're in the technology niche, maybe you want to be posting reviews on different phones or how to fix a specific bug on somebody's computer. By choosing a specific niche, you're going to be able to build this loyal following and a loyal audience that's more likely to trust your recommendations. And hey, even more power to you if you're promoting a product to your audience and you say, hey, I've actually tried this product out personally and I do love it. Because affiliate marketing on YouTube is not just about pushing products, it's also about finding solutions for people. You don't want to be promoting nonsense products that will not provide value in people's lives, but you want to be creating videos that genuinely help your audience, and then you find a product that also helps your audience, and boom, match made in heaven. Some good content ideas when it comes to affiliate marketing could include giving a tutorial on how to use this specific affiliate product that you're promoting. Or maybe even a review of this product where you share your honest opinions, the pros and the cons of this product. And then you could also include some case studies. And this would demonstrate how the product maybe helped you or maybe helped a friend or a family member. When viewers feel like they've learned something useful about this product that you're promoting, then they're more likely to click on that affiliate link. Also, do not assume that your viewers are going to be finding your affiliate links on their own. Use a clear and compelling call to action within your videos. Now, this could be in the middle of your video or it could be at the end of your video, just so your viewer isn't feeling lost. For example, you could say something like, hey, click the link in the description to get an exclusive discount on this product that I talked about. Or you could say something like, hey, check out the free trial link in my description, or click on this video right here. Providing a reason to click will also create this sense of urgency that somebody needs to click on this link. such as including words like discounts or free trials or bonuses. Okay, so we talked about YouTube videos, but now let's talk about YouTube Shorts as well. Shorts are the perfect tool to complement your long-form content, and honestly, you don't have to create long-form content. You could also just stick to short-form content on YouTube. If you're interested in creating YouTube Shorts, I would highly suggest checking out an AI software that is known as VidAI. I've been playing around with it a lot recently, and you can make engaging YouTube Shorts in literally just seconds. So if you're interested in creating high-quality entertainment with literally the click of a button, check out VidAI. But let's talk about how we can create Shorts effectively and how we can use it. Creating quick videos such as YouTube Shorts is a great way to deliver quick value. You're going to have to pack that information in a way that it's engaging, it's providing value, and it has that immediate call to action. A strategy that you could use is creating a strong hook, a way to reel your viewers in. When people are scrolling on YouTube Shorts, they stay on a video because of an engaging beginning most of the times. For example, you could say something like, "Here's why I can't live without this tech gadget tool," or "You can't believe what this moisturizer has done for my skin." And then this is where you could give a quick demo of this product or a review of whatever product you're promoting, then direct the viewers to the link in your description. Shorts allow you to really generate curiosity in a quick way. So you want to make sure that you're playing this field correctly and that you're reeling people in with this engaging intro and call to action. You want to be very niche specific when it comes to both long-form content on YouTube and short-form content. And with this value-driven long-form content and attention-grabbing YouTube Shorts, you'll have a winning formula for affiliate marketing success on YouTube. It's all about creating this balanced strategy. Now that you know why YouTube is the ultimate platform for affiliate marketing, let's turn this theory into a plan, shall we? Next, I've created a step-by-step guide on how you can get started today. So let's get into it. And if you remember before, we talked about the first step is going to be picking your niche. This is where you need to identify a niche that you are passionate about or you want to learn more about, but also, other people are interested in this niche as well. You don't want it to be too niche. Some examples of high RPM niches would include health, finance, wealth, psychology, relationships, and the list goes on and on. I have some videos on my channel about picking a niche for your YouTube channel. If you want to, check them out. I'll link them. Next, you need to look for affiliate marketing programs and products that align with your niche. Make sure to focus on products that you genuinely believe in. For example, if I had a channel about makeup, I would start promoting different Glossier products because I love their products. Now, I don't know if you can do that because I don't know if they have an affiliate marketing program, but you're going to have to research that. Speaking of research, next you need to research what people are searching for. Your success depends on creating content that resonates with your audience. You can use tools such as Google Trends or YouTube search or different keyword researching tools to figure this out. What you want to find out could include things like common questions that people have within your niche or popular problems that need specific solving. And then you also want to figure out what are the trending topics within your niche. Are makeup tutorials trending or is skincare trending? This research ensures that you're creating content that people are going to want to consume. Creating content is key, but creating valuable content on the other hand is going to be your ultimate key to success. A good idea when it comes to running a YouTube channel paired with affiliate marketing is focusing on videos that are solving a specific problem. For example, if you're within the health niche, you could create a video titled "How to Lose Weight with Resistance Bands." And then within this video, you could have an affiliate link for resistance bands. You also want to focus on videos that answer frequently asked questions. For example, is this video editing software worth it? And then you have an affiliate link for this video editing software that you enjoy using and give a little demo how to use that software. And boom, you're answering somebody's question while also promoting that affiliate link to them. Remember, your goal with this channel here is to educate, entertain, and inspire while also seamlessly promoting a product. The next step to running your YouTube channel would be optimizing your search engine. This is to ensure that your videos are going out to the correct audience. You don't want videos about cars going out to people that are interested in technology. And although there might be some overlap in interest there, you want to appeal to your target audience. So in this case, if you have a cars YouTube channel, it would be about cars. To make sure that our videos go out to the correct audience, we can optimize our search engines. This is by equipping them with the correct keywords. So if you do have a YouTube channel that revolves around cars, you want to make sure to include keywords that relate to cars, because when people are searching up cars, then your videos will pop up. You can use keywords in your titles of your videos, your descriptions of your videos, and also the tags of your videos. And you might be thinking, well, I have no idea where to find optimized tags, titles, and descriptions. Well, a very helpful AI software that I've been using a lot recently is going to be an AI software called TubeMagic. And within this software, AI can come up with all of this brainstorming for you. Within your description, you also want to make sure that you're including this affiliate link with a specific call to action. Next, you want to design eye-catching thumbnails that is sure to reel people in. This will help your videos rank higher on YouTube and get discovered by more people. Now, don't let your content stop at long-form videos, you guys. Remember, we just talked about the world of YouTube Shorts. Make sure that you're utilizing it. A good idea would also be to repurpose your long-form content into short-form content. And what I mean here is just taking different highlights out of your longer-form videos and making it into a 60-second clip. These bite-sized clips are perfect for grabbing attention quickly and then also driving traffic back to your main videos, which ultimately to your affiliate links, and reaching new audiences who prefer consuming short-form content rather than long-form content. Remember, every successful affiliate marketer started where you are today. The key is to take action, stay consistent, and also refine your strategy as you keep going. And I mean, hey, step 1 is done. You watched this video. Congrats! You've got at least some tools and some knowledge to start to build your roadmap. The best time to start is now, and trust me, your future self will be thanking you. So with all this being said, affiliate marketing is not dead, it's just waiting for you to do it the right way. Let's recap some of the quick points. Affiliate marketing has shifted to platforms such as YouTube, and on platforms such as YouTube, you need to be very specific with your niches in order to apply to a target audience. Focus on solving problems, optimizing your search engines, and connecting with your audience authentically. Build that sense of community. YouTube is not only a great way to be making money with affiliate marketing, but there are also other revenue streams that you can explore within the platform. So if you're interested in making money with YouTube without having to make videos, make sure to click on this video right now. It goes more in depth on how you can create your YouTube channel than I did within this video. There's a ton of value within it. Make sure to check it out, and we will see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Peace out, everybody. Rock on.